Outdoor cleaning services your child can do. Outdoor cleaning is an easy and safe way for your child to explore entrepreneurship, especially if they love to clean and are outdoorsy. One great thing about a cleaning business is how a person could start with little or no capital. And what's more, there's always work for an outdoor cleaning business regardless of the season. But where to start? Let's look. Outdoor cleaning services kid entrepreneurs can offer. Outdoor cleaning is quite vast and can get very complicated. Therefore, the suggestions we have made are age appropriate for children. Weeding gardens. For a lot of gardeners, weeding is the least interesting part of their hobby. Plucking out weeds in the heat of summer is no fun. To make things easier, gardeners hire extra hands. Kids aged 4 and above can handle weeding jobs. The most important tool they will need is a pair of rubber gloves. Raking leaves. Trees are beautiful and great for the environment, but falling leaves present a challenge. Left unchecked, falling leaves form a blanket that blocks airflow and sunlight from reaching the soil. It can also hide pests and dangerous small animals. Busy folks with trees in their yards could always use some help with raking leaves. A child who's old enough to handle a rake safely can fill that need. Shoveling snow. Shoveling heaps of snow off the driveway or walkway every day is no fun. In winter, your teen entrepreneur can make some money shoveling snow. All they need are snow shovels and a way to spread the message. Help make sure they stay warm, hydrated, and safe. Window washing. The exterior of windows is usually coated with dirt, dust, dead bugs, and so on. Even the rain leaves windows with dirt streaks or cloudy. Your child's cleaning business could specialise in washing windows. Moss removal. Moss is a stubborn weed that grows on rooftops, walls, gardens, and almost any damp surface. Some people find it yucky and want to get rid of it, not just by themselves. For a small fee, your child can help people remove moss from their lawns, walls, and concrete pathways. Outdoor furniture cleaning. We doubt anyone would enjoy their time outdoors sitting on dirty chairs, or eating on an outdoor table filled with grime and dirt. But some people don't have the time to properly wash their outdoor furniture. The opportunities in outdoor cleaning are many and progressive. Your kid can charge for their services based on the complexity of the work and the prevailing prices in the area. Any other suggestions, then please let us know, and thanks for watching.